is up, everyone? Hey, thanks for clicking the link. Thanks for checking out the video. So I have got this, which is a 6-inch-ish chef. I've also got an 8-inch chef out in the other vise. It is 52100. Now, I have been thus far unable to get a hamon out of 52100. I don't know if it's possible. I don't understand the metallurgy. I'm just not that good at it. But I'm gonna try this and just see if it works. So what I've done, this one actually ground a little too thin preheat treat in my opinion. I'm hoping that I won't get a big warp out of it. The other one is a little bit thicker, so that'll be good. I did want to get some of the bevels ground before heat treat because grinding heat treated blades from stuff like it just takes forever, and I didn't want to go through that. So I tried to grind some. Excuse me. All cut into me putting the refractory on here. So what I'm going to do, if you watched a couple videos ago where I did the two 6-inch chefs, those were both in 52100, and I was unable, I did not get a hamon out of that. It did not work at all whatsoever. Now what I did was I clayed it up just like this with the refractory, and then I did like a full quench in the oil. So this time what I'm going to do is get this up to critical temperature, and I bought a drywall, you know, your mudding drywall, you have like your little tray, I don't know what they're called exactly off the top of my head. And I'm gonna put some oil in that, and I'm gonna heat that oil. That way I can get just the edge and a little bit more into that oil to quench it. And I'm just gonna, I'm gonna, you know, I'll move it back and forth, keep the vapor barrier from being an issue. But other than that, I'm going to let the spine cool on its own the rest of the way. It's gonna take a little bit longer, obviously, but hopefully, maybe, fingers crossed, we get a hamon out of this. Maybe it fails. I don't know. It's worth a shot though, right? We'll see. Anyway, let's go get to it. What is up? We are back with, I don't know if I should call this a success or a failure. I'm gonna try real hard to get some better shots of this, get some up close video footage of this and see if I can get it to come through correctly on video. There is the lightest of light hamones on this. Basically, it's just cloudy. So this didn't work with the 52100. I like the knives, like they're fine. I've got two, and I actually made two boning knives are gonna go with them because I made a 8-inch, and what I thought was a 6-inch ended up being like a 7-inch. I thought, okay, those are too close together, so I'm gonna make some boning knives to pair with them, and we'll just do different handle scales, and we'll be good. But as far as the hamon goes, it's all right. It's cool. I'm gonna try again. I might try to do like an interrupted water quench on just the bevel. Now, in order to do that, here's the thing. In order to do that, I think I'm going to have to do it on a full width blade. So instead of grinding the bevels in a little bit before heat treating, just because otherwise I think it's gonna break, it's gonna warp. That's my guess. I don't know that to be true, but that's what I imagine is going to happen. So I'll try it again, and we'll see if I can get a hamon out of 52100 another way. And yeah, we'll keep on keeping on. But until then, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here, and see you next time. Later.